6 futuristic innovations that will redefine humanity. Imagine a world where your food is printed, your doctor is a microscopic robot inside your body, and your internet is powered by quantum teleportation. Sounds like sci-fi, right? But these are real technologies being developed right now, and they could be part of your life sooner than you think. In this video, we're diving into 6 mind-blowing innovations that are shaping the future of humanity. From holograms to bioprinted organs, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Part 1. 3D printed food, the kitchen of the future. Food printed at the touch of a button? It's not just for astronauts anymore. This tech could revolutionize how we eat and even save the planet. Imagine walking into your kitchen, selecting a meal on your smartphone, and watching as your 3D printer creates it from scratch. This isn't just a dream, it's happening right now. 3D food printing uses a technique similar to traditional 3D printing, layering edible ingredients to build meals with incredible precision. These printers can use everything from chocolate and dough to proteins and even lab-grown meat. Let's say you're craving a burger but want a healthier version. Your food printer can analyze your health profile, swap out unhealthy ingredients, and create a custom burger with the exact nutrients you need. It's personalized nutrition at its finest. NASA has already started using 3D printed food for astronauts for long missions, where traditional food storage isn't practical. Restaurants and chefs are also experimenting with 3D printing to create intricate designs and textures that are impossible with traditional cooking methods. Of course, this technology isn't perfect yet. The machines are expensive, and the variety of ingredients they can use is still limited. But as the technology evolves, we could see food printers in homes around the world, reducing food waste and making meal prep effortless. Imagine a world where hunger is eliminated because anyone can print a nutritious meal on demand. From space missions to your dining table, 3D printed food has the potential to change everything about how we eat. It's not just convenient, it's revolutionary. Part 2. Holographic displays bringing sci-fi to life. Remember those holograms from Star Wars? What if I told you they're no longer just a sci-fi fantasy? By 2027, holographic displays could be a part of your everyday life. Holographic displays are revolutionizing how we see and interact with digital content. Unlike flat screens, holographic displays project 3-dimensional images that you can view from any angle. This technology uses light fields to create depth and perception, making it feel like objects are truly in the room with you. Imagine attending a business meeting from your living room. Instead of staring at a screen, your colleagues appear as lifelike holograms, sitting around a virtual conference table. You can make eye contact, read body language, and feel like you're physically present, all without leaving your house. Holographic technology is already being used in specialized fields. For example, surgeons use holograms to visualize organs in 3D during operations, improving precision and reducing errors. In education, holograms are helping students understand complex concepts, like visualizing the solar system or molecular structures in a truly interactive way. But this is just the beginning. By 2027, holographic displays could be everywhere. Your car's dashboard, your favorite video games, even as part of your shopping experience. Instead of trying on clothes, you could see a hologram of yourself wearing them, making online shopping more intuitive than ever. Despite these advancements, there are challenges. Current systems are expensive, and creating true high-resolution holograms requires enormous processing power. But as AI and computing technologies improve, these hurdles are becoming easier to overcome. From surgeries to gaming, holographic displays have the potential to transform every aspect of our lives. They're not just glimpses of the future, they're the future taking shape right now. Part 3. AI-driven space exploration, the final frontier. Space exploration has always been about pushing boundaries. But what if the future of space isn't about astronauts, but artificial intelligence? AI is already reshaping how we explore the cosmos, and by 2027, it could be the key to unlocking new worlds. AI has become the ultimate co-pilot for space exploration. Take NASA's Perseverance rover, for example. It's not just rolling around Mars. It's using AI to navigate rough terrain, analyze soil samples, and decide which areas are worth investigating. This reduces the need for constant human intervention and makes missions more efficient. Let's say we send a spacecraft to explore a distant moon like Europa. Without AI, scientists would need to analyze every piece of data and make decisions remotely, a process that could take weeks. With AI, the spacecraft can analyze its surroundings in real time, prioritize tasks, and adapt to unexpected challenges like avoiding a sudden ice plume. AI isn't just a concept, it's actively used in space missions right now. The Hubble Space Telescope uses AI to prioritize which celestial objects to observe. AI also plays a critical role in identifying over 5,000 exoplanets by shifting through massive amounts of data from the Kepler telescope. Looking ahead, AI could establish human colonies on the moon or Mars, managing resources and even building habitats using local materials. AI could even enable us to explore the farthest reaches of our solar system, sending probes to places we only dreamed of, like Titan or the Kuiper Belt. While AI is incredibly advanced, it's not without its limitations. Space environments are unpredictable, and AI needs to be trained to handle scenarios we can't foresee. Plus, developing AI systems that can operate in extreme conditions, like radiation and sub-zero temperatures, remains a challenge. From autonomous rovers to interplanetary missions, AI is the future of space exploration. With its ability to analyze, adapt, and learn, it's not just helping us explore the stars, it's making the impossible possible. Part 4: Teleportation of Data, Quantum Computing Revolution. Teleportation isn't just for sci-fi anymore. Thanks to quantum computing, data teleportation is becoming a reality, and it's about to change everything we know about communication. Quantum teleportation might sound like magic, but it's based on science. Using a phenomenon called quantum entanglement, scientists can transfer data instantaneously between 2 points, no matter how far apart they are. Essentially, when 2 particles are entangled, what happens to one particle immediately affects the other, even if they're on opposite sides of the planet. Let's say you want to send sensitive financial information from New York to Tokyo. With traditional networks, there's always a risk of data interception. But with quantum teleportation, there's no physical transfer of data, just the instantaneous sharing of quantum states. This makes it virtually impossible for hackers to intercept. Quantum communication is already being tested. In 2017, China made headlines by achieving quantum teleportation between a satellite and a ground station over 1,200 kilometers apart. These experiments are paving the way for a quantum internet, a network so secure that even the most advanced hackers won't stand a chance. But the real potential of quantum data teleportation goes beyond security. Imagine a world where lag in communication no longer exists. Global networks could operate at unprecedented speeds, revolutionizing industries like finance, healthcare, and even entertainment. By 2027, we could see the early stages of a quantum internet, connecting countries and institutions with ultra-fast, ultra-secure communication. Of course, quantum teleportation isn't without its challenges. Maintaining quantum entanglement over long distances is incredibly difficult, and building the infrastructure for a quantum internet will take years. But researchers are making progress every day, bringing us closer to a new era of communication. Quantum teleportation isn't just the future of data, it's the future of how we connect with each other. It's a giant leap toward a world where communication is instantaneous and unbreakable. Part 5: Nanobots in Medicine, the Inside Story. Would you trust a robot smaller than a grain of sand to save your life? With nanotechnology, these microscopic miracles might just become the doctors of the future. Nanobots are tiny robots designed to perform incredibly precise tasks at a microscopic level. Imagine a robot so small that it can travel through your bloodstream to deliver medicine directly to cancer cells or repair damaged tissue without invasive surgery. Let's say someone is diagnosed with a tumor. Instead of undergoing chemotherapy, which affects the entire body, they could take a pill containing nanobots. These bots would locate the tumor, deliver targeted treatment, and leave healthy cells untouched, minimizing side effects and recovery time. This might sound futuristic, but researchers are already testing early versions of nanobots. For example, scientists have developed nanobots that can clean plaque from arteries, reducing the risk of heart attacks. In another experiment, nanobots were used to deliver antibiotics to specific bacterial infections, showing incredible accuracy. By 2027, we could see nanobots becoming a standard tool in healthcare. These robots could not only treat diseases, but also prevent them by continuously monitoring the body for early warning signs. They could even be programmed to repair cells damaged by aging, potentially extending human lifespan. Despite their promise, nanobots face significant hurdles. Manufacturing robots at this scale is extremely complex, and ensuring they're safe for the use in the human body requires years of testing. There's also the question of cost. Making this technology affordable for everyone will be a challenge. Nanobots represent the ultimate blend of technology and medicine. They're not just tools, they're game changers that could redefine how we approach health and longevity. Part 6: Bioprinting Organs, the Gift of Life. What if we could end the organ donor shortage forever? Imagine a world where organs aren't donated, they're printed. Bioprinting might just make that a reality. Bioprinting is a revolutionary technology that uses living cells as ink to create functional tissues and organs. It's an extension of 3D printing, but instead of plastic or metal, bioprinters use cells, gels, and other biological materials to build complex structures layer by layer. Imagine a child born with a defective heart. In the near future, doctors could scan the child's DNA, use a bioprinter to create a custom heart, and perform a transplant all within weeks. This would not only save the child's life, but also eliminate the risk of organ rejection, as the printed organ would be made from their own cells. Bioprinting is already making waves in medical research. Scientists have successfully printed small sections of skin, blood vessels, and even miniature livers for testing new drugs. These breakthroughs are laying the groundwork for printing full-scale functional organs. By 2027, bioprinting could solve one of medicine's biggest challenges: the organ donor shortage. Around the world, thousands of people die each year waiting for transplants. With bioprinting, hospitals could print organs on demand, saving countless lives. Beyond that, this technology could also be used to create custom tissues for repairing injuries, like regenerating damaged cartilage and joints. Despite its promise, bioprinting still has hurdles to clear. Printing complex organs like hearts or kidneys requires not only structural accuracy, but also the ability to integrate blood vessels and nerves. Scaling the technology for widespread use and making it affordable are also major challenges. Bioprinting isn't just about saving lives. It's about creating possibilities we never thought possible. From ending organ shortages to regenerating tissues, it's a breakthrough that could transform medicine forever. So there you have it, 6 futuristic innovations that could redefine humanity. From nanobots healing our bodies to quantum teleportation transforming communication, these technologies are bringing sci-fi into reality. Which one excites you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insights into the future of technology. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.